Hi guys, it's your girl Bree back with another video. I am cleaning up my house after my graduation ceremony slash kickback. We are quarantined in the house on a stay-at-home order, so I had just a small get together, not that many people, but just to celebrate my graduation. I walked in my kitchen, honey, with that cap and gown, and I received my diploma. So you guys already know, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will be quiet and let the video play. And I am on group FaceTime with my friends, so you will see me talking to them throughout the video. I don't know who put me on to the crock pot liners, but those things changed my life, okay? Like, easy cleanup. Sorry the dogs didn't make it on this video. It was too much stuff on the ground and just too much going on, and they were going to be in the way while I was trying to clean up. So I had to lock them in the room until I finished cleaning. This is my bar back here. So I'm just organizing this. I recently did revamp this bar. My granddaddy made it probably about 20-30 years ago. I just added some wallpaper on it and, bring it back to life. And it makes a great addition to my living room. So anyone who watches my videos know that my room is always the VIP section, but it was not this night, thank God. So it was not a whole lot to clean, just regular junk that's in your room, throughout the week. And I am not going to fully make my bed because I am about to get right back in it after this video. I was so tired and did not feel like cleaning the house, but I knew I was going to feel like doing it later, so I went ahead and cleaned it now. So then I can get back in the shower and get back in the bed. Now I'm just going to spray the Lysol spray and then take a Clorox wipe and wipe down, the door handles and the light switches. So that completes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.